Hello from Slovenia again. So we continue with our series with consistency, and I thin down my paints with water quite a lot. It almost doesn't leave a mound. The stream is much thinner, and you can already say with this stream from your stick that paint will flow out of the cup differently, and therefore it will create different result. And I have black and white and primary colors, and today I decided that I will go with black first, white, this is just titanium white, and then we will do one with pearl white to see the difference. And magenta, pearl, primary yellow, magenta, and primary blue, and black. Have to be careful with black because I think that I maybe add a little too much black, that it should be just a little layer for some contrast, don't necessarily need to be the whole block of the color. So straight pour, feathery one with some racks. I like to do them. So I will be quite close to the canvas because the paint is really thin, and I expect that it will mix a little and it flows differently. Definitely totally different thing. And I can already see that it mixed a lot. See? Already see that result is totally different. I definitely want to rag this part. And this one here, like that maybe. And a ton of air bubbles because I added water and mix it. I can already say that I'm not a big fan of tin paint, but I already knew that before. But maybe some of you will like that look. So, you know, it's nothing wrong. It's just about what you prefer. If you prefer this kind of look, you can definitely should use thinner consistency, but I prefer more look from the thicker paints. So yeah, let's tilt this out. Maybe it will surprise me when I will tilt it out, but I doubt it. And I will go back into the cup, or maybe it will, because now it starts to look kind of interesting and a lot of cells because of the thinner consistency. I kind of want to go over that corner. Don't like that white there. I will stretch this a little, this side. Now I will tilt some of this off. Don't want to lose that black part there. And the paint is flowing totally different. I can already tell that I'm not a big fan of thin consistency at all. and the lines get wiggly, so woo, no. Definitely no for me. Layer this one. I have to put my white back and grab the pearl white that I will not mess up. Black. I want more black. Pearl white. Yellow. Ooh. Magenta. Blue. Don't even like to layer them so that that they are in this consistency. I don't know. Just don't like thin consistency except for the blowouts. And again, I have a ton of yellow there. So let's see. You can even do jiggles, proper jiggles with that, because they just don't form. So I will just straight pour this. And I went totally off center. And because this paint is so thin, stretch differently, everything is different. I'm not a fan of thin paint, can already say that. Don't want to lose all the colors. Almost did already. Okay, I'll just leave this like it is. No, not the fan of thin paints at all. Maybe with pearl white, but not without. Definitely not without, because I got some really weird things going on. So here are all the paintings. I will start with dried results of today's. So this is one without pearl white, and I really struggled with keeping the composition, a ton of cells on the places that I didn't necessarily want, way more reaction. The colors are kind of mixed more, so if we compare the one with thick consistency, see the lines, it was even hard to pour. You can't even jiggle with the thin consistency, or how can I say. So yeah, and the one that I just poured it with the pearl white. Again, I like the ones with thicker consistency much more, because I like the lines more, you know, nice and crisp, not all wiggly, or how can I say. I like that they stay a little more separate, like, you know, here they mix a little more. But again, nothing wrong if you like that kind of look. That's why the fluid art is so fun, interesting, because it just, you know, maybe some of you like this kind of look. I prefer this one with thicker paints. But if you like this one, definitely use thinner consistency. And those two are from thick consistency flip cup, the one without and with pearl white. And I did the flip cup with thin consistency and it just wasn't working, so I just give up. So my preference is definitely thicker consistency for straight pours, ring pours, jiggle pours, flip cups, mostly for all techniques, not this thin one. And I have a lot of scrape offs, so tomorrow I will show you what I did with all the scrape offs from this painting. So I didn't waste it. It will be kind of a bonus without talking, just showing you the scrape offs and a little leftovers in my cup. So yeah, I hope that this help you, that you will see the difference with thin and thick consistencies. I will do more series about techniques. Probably next one will be, I was thinking to do all the techniques that you can do with pearl white, to show you, you know, what you can use it for, not just for my flower dips, or I don't know, it adds something to a lot of techniques. So yeah, I'm thinking about that, or maybe split cup with different. This was one of my viewers that told me that would want to see the split cup with different layering. So probably Monday and Tuesday will be, or at least Monday will be, one of my other videos, just to break a little bit from those series, and then I will come back with another series and experiment. And you can still tell me in the comments what you would like to see. So this was it for today. See you again tomorrow, and thanks for being here. Bye.